You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. Tonight I'm going to share with you my nighttime cleaning routine. This is typically what it looks like on an average night for me, and so I figured I would just show you guys. So first thing I'm doing is just unloading the dishwasher. Typically I like to do this in the morning, but I must have forgotten that day, so I'm just unloading it at night, and then I will reload it with all the dirty dishes from dinner. Next, I'm just clearing off the rest of the countertop. These are all of the dishes that we used when making dinner. We had a really good meal. We had chicken breast in the air fryer, and it turned out so good. And then we also had a side salad, so I'm just getting rid of the excess and tossing it into the trash, and then refilling up my sink with more dirty dishes and more things to clean to then put in the dishwasher. One of the other things I do to make cleanup a little bit easier is I put foil on the bottom of our air fryer underneath the basket, and it just makes it a little bit easier. And then I'm just tossing all of the crumbs into that baking dish, and I'm going to toss that in the trash. You guys, I have no idea how 2 people manage to dirty up so many dishes every single day, but Steven and I managed to do it. So here I am just cleaning more dishes. I like to give them a good pre-rinse before I put them in the dishwasher. Our dishwasher doesn't necessarily get off all the grime, so I like to make sure that I get everything off before I load it. And if you're wondering who I'm talking to my mom. She's on speakerphone. I love catching up with her when I'm doing things around the house. That way I'm getting 2 things done at once. Let me know in the comments down below if you do this too.
Giving peace of mind to those of us who try. Try to make a way. I can hear you say, let the sun shine on the broken. Let the summer come again. Let the heat find all the frozen.
just wiping down the counters. Now that I have everything cleared off for the most part, I'm just wiping it down with some Target cleaner. I ran out of my Mrs. Meyer, so I need to place a new order on Grove Collaborative. I'll leave a link down below if you guys are interested in checking them out. They make it super easy to get all of your cleaning products. I find that they have pretty good prices, and yeah, you can also get a free gift set. I'll leave the link down below if you all want to check that out.
Let the heat find all the frozen. Let the force in. And I am above. I feel above. Oh, let the sun shine.
I'll be honest, I don't do this every single night, but I really should because this makes such a difference. We get so many water spots on our faucet, so I'm just wiping it down with the same cleaner that I used for the countertops and giving it a nice little fresh polish and cleaning out the sink to get all those extra crumbs and grime off of the stainless steel.
Let the force in. I am above.
I've said it many times, I know.
And that is everything, you guys. The kitchen is all nice and clean. I really appreciate you watching my nighttime cleaning routine of my kitchen. I love waking up to a clean space. Not every night do I want to clean my kitchen, but I always push myself to do it because I know that I'm not going to want to the next day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you like content like this. Bye, you guys!
And let it go for a little while. So